Hello students, in the last video we have studied the matrix multiplication of 2 by 2 matrices. On the basis of that we will do one problem which is very important problem. It often comes in board exam, and also it highlights the concept of scalar multiplication with a matrix and also a matrix multiplied by itself. So let us just note down the question properly. If you have a matrix A like this and an identity matrix I, then we have to find a real number, a scalar k, such that A square is equal to k times A minus 2i. So first we have to calculate A square. How to calculate A square? We know that A square is A into A. We should understand that A square is A into A. So before that, we should also understand that once you calculate the value of A, then we can easily, once you calculate the value of A square, we can easily put up this value in the equation. We have to just simplify and get the answer. So how to calculate A square? It is 4 minus 2, then 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. We should not forget that we are multiplying a matrix with another matrix. So let us not forget that we have to check certain things. The order of first matrix is 2 by 2. Order of second matrix is also 2 by 2. The first condition that the matrix multiplication, the product should exist, is number of columns of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of second matrix. That is done. And the resultant matrix has an order equal to number of rows of first column into number of columns of number of rows of first matrix equal to number of columns of the second matrix. That is 2 by 2. It is very clear that the resultant matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now the time comes for multiplication. First row, first column element is obtained by multiplying the first row of first matrix into the first column of the second matrix. So first row, first column element multiplied by the first row, first column. So 3 multiplied by 3 plus minus 2 multiplied by 4. In the same way, for first row, second column element, we need to literally multiply the first row with second column. First row of first matrix with the second row of the second column of the second matrix. First row of the first matrix with the second column of the second matrix. That will get first row, second column element. So 3 multiplied by minus 2. 3 multiplied by minus 2 plus minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. So this is how we have multiplied first row, first column, written the result, then first row, second column, written the result. Now we will go with the first row of second row of the first matrix and multiply it with the first column of the second matrix. So we'll get second row, first column element. So 4 into 3 plus minus 2 into 4. Then we have a trick, the horizontal line, this 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, same, 4 minus 2, these are same. So I'll write like this 4, and here also we'll write minus 2, they are same. So, and the vertical elements are same. Here 3 and 3 is repeating, 4 and 4 is repeating. So minus 2 and minus 2 should repeat, and here also minus 2 and minus 2 should repeat. So this is how we have got multiplication of two matrices and 9 minus 8, which is 1. Here it is minus 6 plus 4. It is how much? Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. And another product. Fourth is a 12 minus 8, which is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. And here minus 8 plus 4 will be minus 4. So this is how we have calculated a square. Now we'll, without wasting much time, we'll just calculate, we'll put the value in the equation. What is that equation? A square is equal to k times a minus twice I. A square is nothing but 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. This is equal to k times a. Now a is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So what is k times a? K times a. It is nothing but, it is 3. Each and every element should be multiplied by k. So I'll write it as 3 times k minus 2 times k, 4 times k minus 2 times k. So I will write 3 times k, 3 times k minus 2 times k, then 4 times k, then minus 2 times k. And then minus 2i. Everyone knows that I is an identity matrix. So twice I will be 2, 0, 0, 2. It will be like this, 2, 0, 0, 2. So this implies 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4 is equal to 3k minus 2 minus 2k. Then here we have 4k minus 2k minus 2. So like this we have calculated. Now since all elements, since these two matrices are equal, so you can equate any one entry. Suppose I equate first row, first column entry, I'll get 3k minus 2. So we'll write 3k is equal to 3, k is equal to 1. This is the value which we have obtained. You equate any entry. If you equate minus 2k to minus 2, still you will get k is equal to 1. If you equate 4k to 4, easily you can get 4k is equal to, definitely k should be equal to 1. It is easily understood. Here also, but if at all, if you get any other entry, sometimes certain questions are asked, like what are the possible values of k? If k has multiple values, in such situation, for one entry, if you are equating, because each and every equation should give you the same value of k. If variable is same and you are getting multiple values, then since it is one many entries, so the such value of k will not exist and will be undefined. Hence, you should take care that you should equate properly under the given condition and then find out the value of k. This is how we have found out the value of k. I hope you like this video. It's very, very important question. It often asked many times in board exam. So you practice as many times as you can. Thank you, students.